Is it ready to go? Oh, fantastic. This is really, really exciting. I'm Annie Sloan and I'm an inventor of chalk paint. Some of you will know, some have been on the journey with me. It's a paint that I made 30 years ago and it changed the face of the paint industry. Now I'm ready for a new launch. I'm launching wall paint, my Annie Sloan Wall Paint. I'm so excited about it, something I've been waiting to do for years and years. I'm taking the guesswork out of decorating. I've been working with colours and mixing them, looking at them, absorbing them really for many, many years. And these are the colours that it's led me to. 32 colours, I've got it here. This is my colour card. And these are the 32 colours. Other companies overwhelm you with colours, but I've not done that. I've got 32 absolutely spot on colours. I'm a maximalist, as you can see. I've got lots of colours around me and lots of things from all over the world as well. But what I've got at the very heart of it all is my colours, which are, it's a sort of a linen suit, if you like, and it's a neutral background. And on top of that, we put lots and lots of other things. So I've got my gentleman friend here with his gorgeous colours. I've got all the colours on the wall here. I've got painted furniture in the room, lots of things which complement the background. So the background is my backdrop. And to show you that backdrop, I've got a lot of these colours. So these are lots of beautiful neutrals, lots of whites and greys, some darker ones as well. I haven't got them all here, but there's some other ones. There's 32 of those. Oops, they're going to fall. Light ones there, but I've also got some gorgeous dark ones as well. So lots and lots of, because dark ones are neutrals as well. So I'm a globetrotter. I've been all over the world. I've explored lots of art. I've got an art background. That's the sort of thing that's fed my understanding and knowledge of colour. And I've been a maker of characterful interiors for many, many years. And it's all led to this. So one of the other colours I've got is a terracotta. This is called Riad Terracotta. On my travels, I went to Morocco and I saw all the gorgeous colours there, absolutely fabulous colours. Now, I haven't made a bright orange or even a sort of a browny colour. I think I've made a colour with a huge amount of life, but it's a very sophisticated colour. So it's not going to knock your socks off, not going to be too bright, really. It's just going to be a beautiful colour for an interior. I hope I hear that. Another colour which I think is absolutely fantastic is this Shinkle. Shinkel Green. It's named after a architect, 18th century German architect called Carl Friedrich Shinkle. And I love his interiors. They're absolutely fantastic. Very strong colours. And one of the colours is this colour. And I've noticed that it works so well in interiors. It's a great backdrop for pictures. It's a great backdrop for contemporary things or quite classical things with golds and all the rest of it. It's a colour which can be used in so many different ways. Another colour which I absolutely adore, which is this. This is Carnaby Yellow, contemporary and modern. Contemporary and classic as well. It's got depth to it. I think it's this one here at the back there. So that one up there is, if you can see that one, it's Tyrian Plum. Beautiful. It's sort of aubergine, eggplanty, rich and gorgeous, and again, fantastic with greys, fantastic with neutrals, but also fantastic with golds and fantastic with pale blues as well. I could go on for ages. I just get so excited. Some great blues, well, lots and lots of blues. These are the Van Gogh blues, and I've also already shown you this lovely one. I picked out some. I could talk about them for ages. So in these colours, which I can show you here, this is the tin. Ta-da! Best ingredients. It's an incredible formula. I've taken, it's very rich in pigment, I should say. I've taken a huge amount of care over this. I've been doing it for a long time and perfecting it. And I've been with it for every step of the way. I'm not a painter, I'm not a paint maker who just says, oh, we'll have a blue. I'm there mixing the colours, working with the colours, and I think that's fairly unique among paint companies with my background of colour. So it's lots of colours with huge amount of depth and complexity. It's luxurious, it's premium product, it's very easy to apply, it's durable, it's wipe clean, all of those great things. But the main thing is that it's formulated to streamline and simplify the way that you can dress your house. So one thing we did, we got it tested against other premium products, and it just outperformed every other one. Am I pleased? Yes. It's really good. So I'm going to end with a few things. One thing I'd like to say, that you've heard that walls talk. Well, I'd like you to say something. I'd like you to make your walls say something really interesting. I think that's really exciting. So I'd love you to sign up to my newsletter to find out where the paint's going to be sold locally to you and what's happening. And if you want to explore the colours, please look on my website, anniesloan.com, and enjoy. Welcome to the launch.